A Galaxy S24 may have display brightness problems due to software glitches, incorrect sensor calibration, or issues with the adaptive brightness feature. One common issue occurs when the adaptive brightness feature, which automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on your environment, starts malfunctioning. To fix this, the first step you should take is to restart your phone. Restarting often resolves minor software bugs that could be affecting how adaptive brightness functions. Simply tap and hold both the power and volume down buttons until the power options appear on the screen. Then, select Restart and confirm the action. Once your phone reboots, check if the adaptive brightness feature is working as expected. If restarting your phone doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to recalibrate the light sensor. This sensor is crucial because it detects ambient light levels, and if it's not properly calibrated, adaptive brightness won't work correctly. To recalibrate, head over to Settings, then tap on Device Care. Swipe up and select Diagnostics, followed by Phone Diagnostics. Once there, choose Sensors and allow your phone to recalibrate them. This should help reset the adaptive brightness to function properly. If the problem continues even after these steps, you may want to check for any software updates. Updates often come with bug fixes that can resolve issues like this. As a final step, you can also try resetting all settings on your phone to their default configuration, which won't erase any of your files or data, but might fix the issue by refreshing the system settings. Hopefully, one of these solutions will resolve your display brightness problem and get your Galaxy S24 back to functioning smoothly. Thanks for sticking with us through this guide.